open your image from your computer, select the one that you want to crop and edit. So just using the crop tool, you can get it straight. You can also use the perspective crop tool if needed, if it's a little bit off kilter. Then go up to image size. Check the image size. It needs to be at least 300 dpi. And then you want to make it the size of the opening of the frame of the mat or slightly bigger than that, so you have a slight overlap. Then go up to image canvas size and make it a printable image that's slightly bigger than the printed image size. This will be the actual print size. You add that and it will be ready to print. And then save it as a JPEG.